Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2006 56-foot Aicon sport yacht. Stylish Italian design and quality build. This one is very special with a custom molded fiberglass hardtop. Boat shows immaculate and loaded with all the right toys. Teak swim platform. Walk-through transom door. Into the cockpit area, again trimmed in teak. Custom teak table that's easily removed. Through the sliding glass doors into the main salon area. Neutral fabrics, high gloss teak, hardwood floors, stylish and practical. L-shaped settee to port, flat screen TV and entertainment center. Up a couple of steps to the dinette area. Again, L-shaped, plenty of room, even a couple of stools. The galley is to port. Includes everything a gourmet chef would need. Refrigerator with freezer. Little serving bar. Again, hardwood floors throughout. Lower helm station to starboard is a ship's command center. Leather-wrapped helm and companion seat. All the functions and monitoring systems needed to be used for navigation are there, including updated Garmin touchscreen chart plotter, bow thruster, stern thruster, electronic controls, Let's head down the companionway to the master and guest accommodations. Even the places you don't see are sparkly clean. Guest day head to port. To starboard is the master stateroom with a centerline queen berth, storage below, plenty of storage beneath the high gloss teak cabinetry, sculptured ceiling, there's even a little office area, vanity makeup area, private head, complete with electric head, Corian countertops, teak flooring, and a stall shower. Moving forward to the guest VIP stateroom. Again, centerline queen berth with storage below, high gloss teak cabinetry, hanging locker, flat screen TV, it's all there. Private access from the VIP guest stateroom and from the companionway to the head number 3. Again, stall shower, Corian countertops, teak flooring. The starboard is the 3rd stateroom with twin berths, hanging locker, stylishly done. There's also cruise quarters available through the transom area. Moving back out down the companionway through the salon area, out the sliding glass doors. To port are the steps to bring you forward on the bow with a wide walkway and rail. To starboard are the steps to get you up onto the bridge. Teak steps with handrail. Centerpiece has a grill cooktop, sink, plenty of seating. Centerline helm with a full padded sun deck forward. Again, updated Garmin electronics. The hardtop and the enclosure are very special to this boat. Caterpillar gauges and controls, bow and stern thruster, autopilot. Aft on the bridge is a curved settee and table. Down into the engine space, all the circuit breakers and electronics are easily accessible. Forward in the engine space are a pair of Caterpillar C18s with 1,000 horsepower each. Clean engine room, service up to date. This truly is a turnkey vessel. One more quick look at this very, very well done 56-foot Aicon. Be sure to see the full specs on our website, offshoreyachtsales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.